Hey Sud Squad, Joanna here, the soap gal. Today is a special day because I'm gonna officially introduce you to our in-house brand, the Bubble Factory. The Bubble Factory is our in-house brand, and I want to tell you the behind-the-scenes story of how that was created. I am the soap gal. I am so passionate about soap. That's why I am the soap gal. You are the soap gal. You are passionate about soap and you make soap. But I needed a brand to represent who the soap gal is. So we actually private label soap for the Bubble Factory. I started a LLC called the Bubble Factory because that's who we are. That's who our employees are. That's what they do. I don't like calling them employers. I'll call them team members. That's what our team members are. So when we decided to launch our in-house brand, we came together and we talked about what are the oils that we absolutely love. And the first thing that everyone said is we're palm oil free. So we are palm oil free, this brand. The other thing that we did as a team is I blind test them on fragrances. So I pulled out, popular scents and some essential oil blends, and we all walked around and with our own little tablet, and we put a check mark by any scent that they really liked and they wanted to be in the collection. And we did, I think we launched with 24 different bars and different collections, and now we're narrowing it down more as we can see how sales come in and go. That's how we picked out our scents. So they love lavender and lemongrass and eucalyptus and spearmint and tea tree and peppermint and rosemary and peppermint. And so we have a lot of really natural essential oil ones. And then when it comes to colorants, we literally formulated the bars together in-house. When it came to the size of the Bubble Factory bar, we chose that size bar because we wanted to be able to sell 3 bars on Amazon, and we wanted to be affordable for anyone to be able to try out natural soap as our team. Our team really wanted to make sure that it was affordable for anyone to be able to use our bar. I just can't wait for you to meet some of my team members. In fact, I think we're going to be doing a video real soon of Aaron, which is our head soap maker, and he's going to walk you through how we make our patchouli mud. And then Michelle is a little gem. She actually is our brand person. So everything that you think I love the Bubble Factory? Oh, she loves the Bubble Factory. She created the Bubble Factory. All the colors, the fonts, the textures, anything that says what the Bubble Factory is as a brand, Michelle created. And we're going to be doing a video with her, and she's going to tell you how she moved and what she did and what is the story of the brand book of the Bubble Factory. So I want to really allow you guys to see what it takes to create a brand. And it's not just about making a bar of soap and putting it into a loaf and selling it. And that's what so many of us do. We fall in love with the product that we forget about who's our customer and why we do what we do. When I created the Bubble Factory, it wasn't about me. It was about them. It was about the team. I wanted there to be something that they can come to work and say, hey, I want to create this, Joanna. I want to do this limited drop. Joanna, I smelled this. And we can come together as a team and we can create and make it a part of our brand. Thank you so much for supporting the Bubble Factory. The link is below. And also leave comments below so we know what information, what you want us to talk about. This is a community. You remember, we're the Sud Squad. Our motto is lather, rinse, profit, repeat. Thank you. Mwah.